Welcome to RC Beacon Small. Today we have WL14800. I like to call it Front End Loader.
The box and its packaging looks great. The moment you take it out of the box, you can feel how heavy. You will need 2 hands to lift it.
Sorry guys, the front loader looks a bit dirty because I had to use it for another content and I cannot capture the actual unboxing.
The battery compartment is right under the cab. The on and off switch is located at the back, just under the engine.
It has 2 main lights at the front and 2 at the top of the cab and 2 at the back.
The remote will take 4 AA batteries, which is not included in the box. The overall design and shape is quite realistic. The scale is 1:14, and the entire front section, that is the buckets, the bucket links, the booms, cranks, all of that looks heavy duty. It's probably made out of zinc alloy, but I'm not too sure about this because when I did some testing using a magnet, it didn't work. However, the part inside the tilt cylinder is metal. Overall, I am pretty impressed. The top deck area around the cab has great details of aluminium tread or checkerboard. However, it is made out of plastic, but I do like the detail. When you're turning the front loader to the left or the right, if the sound is on, the light will blink of the side it is turning to, and also make the sound of an indicator blinking. However, if you turn the sound off, only the lights will blink. Also, the front 4 buttons of the remote can help you adjust the tilt of the bucket. The servos are a bit noisy, but I guess it adds a realistic sound to the loader.
To turn the light and sound on and off, you can easily control it with the remote using separate buttons.
Guys, if you need to buy the WL model 14800, I will leave the link in the description below. It will help the channel and will not cost you any extra to buy using my affiliate link.
The tires are made out of rubber. It has good traction and does a good job on the track. When you compare it with the Hyuna 583, I think the 14800 has a better edge in all areas. Also, one interesting thing I found was that if you push the joystick to the corners, it would perform 2 tasks at the same time. It's basically a combination of, for example, arms up and the bucket up at the same time.
If you would like to see some more RC videos, then click on this video or this one here. Bye for now!